Welcome back. The time right now, it is 4:12 on this Tuesday morning. We have some snow. You know what I always think is interesting? When we come into work, it's not snowing. And then when we're always out here on the weather deck at 4 o'clock, it is snowing.
It's the Charlie Brown, Lisa Spitz effect. You know, it's only raining over you when you have to be outside on the air. And then the hair gets bad, and then it's a big problem, you know, so it's my pleasure to help out.
I noticed. I was like, it's usually not snowing, I feel like, in the middle of the night when we come to work.
That happens to be just a coincidence the last couple of days, seriously. But the Stanley Skywatch Live at Downtown Circus, true. I know, they happened yesterday and it happened again today.
It happens a lot, I feel like, but okay.
Well, you know, I suppose the most recent memory is what is coming in. Anyway, Lisa, the thing is, we have just a little, like, thing of snow coming through. You'll see it on the radar right now. It's not that big of a deal. There it is. I mean, it's really isolated and light, and there it is. But then again, what else is new over the past several days, right? It's been basically cloudy with occasional flurries or light snow showers since, what, Friday? You know, now it's Tuesday. But this is something we expected. Now, today's activity should be much more limited in terms of snowfall, and at least a better chance today that we get some peaks of sun out. You can see that little band of light snow going through the north side and then downtown and then down here southeast, right up the hills here through Manlius and Cazenovia, Erieville, and picking it up at South Lebanon and down here to Sherburne, and all the way down to almost Oneonta. So there it is. Not that big of a deal. Temperatures are in the upper 20s. Wind chills are about 20. So except for a few flurries, again today, it's that battle. It's almost like our will is being tested, right? You know, it's time of year, it's March. When you get into a pattern like this, which sometimes happens, it doesn't seem like it ever wants to get sunny, ever. And with a northwest wind, odds are that, at least through this morning, I don't think we're going to get any sunshine. Now, we have a better chance later this afternoon. I wouldn't go crazy over it, but at least as winds become northerly to northeasterly to finish the day, let's just say there's a chance for peaks of sun. And if we happen to get a little more than that, we're lucky. So how about this southern system? And we've been talking about this since late last week. Snow, Chicago today. As we've talked about, it's going to slip to our south tonight. There it goes, the steadiest, heaviest snow, Pittsburgh down to Philadelphia. Now, could we see a flurry? Sure, but it should not be a big deal. And I think Wednesday during the day, it's still to our south. Now, there's still some, I don't want to say controversy, but how about differences in opinion on what's going to happen as this thing moves offshore. Now, this particular computer model really wants to ramp up and throw snow back very early towards Thursday morning. That might be a little bit aggressive, but let's put it this way. For Thursday into Thursday night and Friday, as that storm exits the coast, it's going to get stronger and it's going to try to muscle some moisture back west into the area. So with that in mind, and we had this in the forecast yesterday, there'll be the threat for some periods of light snow showers or flurries, especially Thursday afternoon and Thursday night with a chance of some light accumulations. This weekend, closer to normal, and actually tomorrow should be near 40, which is also close to normal. Don't forget, we set our clocks ahead to daylight saving time this weekend. You're up to date with the forecast. Now back inside.